garlic, onion, and a lot of cilantro. And the chiles are prepared with lemon juice.
Oh, goodness.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay, so everybody.
Ooh, look at that.
Thank you.
That's beautiful. Look at the color. The color.
It looks beautiful when it was that way.
Senora Yolanda, what could you tell me about the filling again?
Okay, the filling is corn, and the corn is coarse.
Yes.
Okay? And it has guajillo, peppercorn, cloves, garlic, onion, oregano, and cilantro. A lot of cilantro.
And the color of the
That's
tortilla?
from the chile.
That's from the chile? Chile en polvo?
No. The chiles are toasted and grounded.
Uh-huh.
You know? No, we never use chili powder for the food in Oaxaca. Never.
Never chili powder.
Never.
Well,
And
how
the
we
chiles are
supposed to eat
toasted,
that?
okay?
I don't know.
Toasted. They're not raw. So